In a Money First alert, Martin County Commissioners voted to approve their budget for fiscal year 2025 and 2026, with funds allocated towards rescue squads due to the hospital closure and burden and a new property tax rate. Charlene Richards was at that meeting and spoke to officials about what the budget means for taxpayers. Charlene?
Yeah, Dave, Martin County residents are calling this budget approval a win for the county, with over $500,000 going towards upkeep for the existing hospital facility. But for residents, this budget actually brings a tax increase. Martin County Commissioners met Wednesday night to discuss a proposed budget for fiscal year 2025 to 2026, which sees investments into the sheriff's office with new trucks and a K-9, as well as $500,000 for upkeep to the hospital, and more than $1.3 million towards rescue squads to help sustain rescue services for the community due to the hospital closure and burden.
In specific terms, the money that's being put toward the hospital and emergency services, that is going to help tremendously to continue to move us along. We are working very hard because it was a devastating thing that happened to this county when we lost the hospital.
The budget also brings a reduced tax rate from 81 cents to 72 cents. But even though it cuts the tax rate by 9 cents, reevaluations have spiked home values. So in order to remain revenue neutral, the tax rate would have had to drop to 66 cents. But Martin County Manager Drew Batts says this new rate will allow Martin County to remain competitive with other counties.
8 years ago, it was less expensive to run Martin County than it is now. So we want to do what we can for the citizens, reduce that burden, but we also want to ensure that Martin County is effectively financed.
The budget also allocates a 4% cost of living increase in salaries for employees, and is saving more than $800,000 in fund balance appropriations as compared to last year's budget. And during tonight's meeting, commissioners also discussed their plans to move forward with ECU Health in reopening Martin General Hospital, with more action expected to be taken in the next upcoming months. Dave.
All right, thanks, Charlene. And the next Martin County Commissioners meeting is scheduled for Wednesday, July 9th.